Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. This is our second lecture for class 10th. In this lecture, we will discuss nutrition in organism. Or nutrition in plant as well as animal. Let's define what is nutrition. Nutrition is a process by which living organism obtain their energy by breaking down food particles into smaller parts for their growth, development, repair, as well as for maintenance and for other activities. Clear? Nutrition is a process by which living organism obtain energy from food for their growth, development, repair, reproduction and for other activities. Clear? Now, what is food? As you must studied in earlier classes, component of foods, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, water, vitamin and roughage. These are 6 components of food. Clear? Any substance which provides energy to living being, that is called as nutrient. Clear? Nutrient is any substance which provides energy to living organism. Clear? Now, importance of food. It is a source of energy. By breaking down of food particles, it releases energy. That energy is utilized by living beings for their growth, development, repair, reproduction and for other activities. Clear? Now, mode of nutrition or type of nutrition. We can divide into 2 parts, that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, organisms prepare their own food by their own. Clear? And in case of heterotrophic nutrition, organism directly or indirectly dependent on autotrophic organism. Now, which organism included in autotrophic organism? Generally, all green plants are included in autotrophic organism, as plants have a special type of pigment that is called as chlorophyll. This pigment has the ability to directly absorb sunlight energy, and that energy they converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP and NADP, and this chemical energy they are using for preparation of their food. Clear? Means green plants are autotrophic organism or autotrophs. Now, heterotrophic organism, all those organisms which directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their energy source, they are included in heterotrophic organism. Heterotrophic organism further divided into three parts, that is saprophyte, parasite and holozoic. Now let us discuss about nutrition in plants. How plants get their nutrition. Unlike animals, in case of plant there is no special organ for their nutrition. Clear? Plants get their nutrition from soil in the form of mineral and water through complex permanent tissues, that is xylem and phloem. Xylem help in absorption of mineral and water from soil, that transported throughout the plant body in unidirectional mode, while phloem acts as a transportation of food from leaf to other parts of the plant body. In green part of the plant there is presence of chlorophyll, particularly in leaves, and on leaves there are small pore-like structures that is called as stomata. These stomata help in exchange of gases. Clear? Now plants in their green part, particularly in leaves where there is presence of chlorophyll, they trap sunlight energy and prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and prepare their food in the form of glucose or polymer of glucose, that is starch. Clear? because green plants prepare their own food by their own. Because of this reason, they are called as autotrophic organism, and their mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Clear? And by which process green plants prepare their own food, that is called as photosynthesis. How we can define photosynthesis? The process in which plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called as photosynthesis. Clear? Photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide and H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Clear? Now plants is the primary source of energy. Clear? For heterotrophic organism, because there is no chlorophyll in case of heterotrophic organism. In absence of chlorophyll, they are unable to directly absorb sunlight energy. Because of this reason, they are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their source of energy. As we know, some animals are directly feed on plants, like herbivore animals like cow, goat, and some animals which eat both. Both means they can feed on directly plants as well as plant eating animals. And some only feed on animals which are eating or dependent on plants. The first one, that is herbivore, which feed on plants. Second, which can feed plant as well as animal both, that is omnivorous. And animals which feed on herbivores, they are called as carnivorous animals. Means animal including human being are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their energy source. This is about autotrophic organism. In detail, heterotrophic organism we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.